In today's video, we are going to cover how to upload documents to TurboTax. Begin by signing in to your TurboTax account, then open the tax return where you want to add your files. Once the return is open, go to the Documents page. This is where TurboTax keeps the files connected to your return, so it is the right place to start before uploading anything. On the Documents page, click Add Tax Docs. TurboTax will move you to a screen that asks how you want to add your documents. On that screen, select Upload, then click Continue. This takes you to the Upload area where you can bring in files from your computer. On the Upload Your Documents screen, you will see the option to click Browse or to drag and drop files into the Upload area. Use whichever method fits how your file is saved on your device. If you click Browse, a file window will open so you can look through folders on your computer. Select the tax document you want to upload and confirm your choice. TurboTax supports common file types, including PDF, JPEG, and PNG. If your document is saved in one of those formats, you can proceed with the upload. Make sure you choose the correct file before continuing, especially if you have several tax forms with similar names saved in the same folder. After you select the document, TurboTax will begin uploading it and scanning it automatically. Give it a moment to finish. During this part, the file is being processed so TurboTax can pull in information from the document. Wait until the upload and scan are complete before moving on to the next screen. When the imported information appears, review it carefully and compare it with the original tax document. Look over the details to make sure the information TurboTax brought in matches what is shown on your form. This review matters because scanned data can sometimes come in with a missing field or an incorrect value. If you notice anything that does not match, edit the incorrect or missing information before you continue. Make the needed changes directly in the fields provided, then proceed once the information reflects the original document accurately. If you have more than one tax document to upload, repeat the same process for each additional file. Go back through the upload flow, select the next document from your computer, wait for TurboTax to scan it, and review the imported details before moving forward. Working through one file at a time helps you confirm that each document is added correctly. When you are done uploading, return to the Documents page, check the document list, and confirm that your uploaded files appear there. This is the final check that shows the documents were added to your TurboTax return. Your tax documents are now uploaded to TurboTax and listed on the Documents page.